Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Thank you once again for all the continued support in the channel, and the comments that we receive across the channel was really good. Okay, really appreciate those comments, and I'm glad you're getting a lot of value from these videos. That's what they're all about. Okay, it's not just about moon boy price predictions. We're showing you levels of support where you could potentially be looking to take your profit and buy back in if you was to see that further correction. Because if you was to lose this level of support, to be honest with you, we don't give financial advice. We're just saying what we see. Okay, if you was to lose this level of support, then you would potentially it would be a good indicator to say, right, I'm going to take a bit of profit from this trade because the breakdown target is there, and if you held on to the trade, you would potentially be looking at a further 36% loss because you have broken this key level of support. And just like we outlined in yesterday's video, you do look at these patterns playing out, and that was one there that played out. It went up, it had the lower high, and then it started to break down, and you formed a bearish cross, and then you did break down, you lost this support, and your target was met. So again, you could effectively say, if you was to shorten and trading, if you was into shorting, you could wait for that confirmation where you've lost the level of support. Okay, or even if you had a bag of Harmony 1 there, okay, once you've lost this level of support, you could say, well, that's the target, because the target, as you know, is from there to the neckline from the peak, and these always play out. Once you get that confirmation where it closes below the neckline of the support, you'll see it always plays out. Okay, so from there was your 30% short trade, because it's a mirror of the top. It's like it goes up, runs out of steam, goes back, tests the level of support, and it's always the same distance. Don't ask me why. I don't know. I don't know the science behind that personally, but I know from years of charting and looking at patterns that it plays out like that. Okay, so you could have effectively got rid of your Harmony there, not financial advice, okay, waited for the target which you would have been given in this channel, okay, and buy back in, because that's the bottom, and the confirmation is this pattern here, the W bottom. Okay, and then what happens is you've coming up and you're hitting resistance again. Do you see? It's just a perfect mirror. Okay, it's a perfect mirror. I'll try and explain it to you. So you've got the M double top, and then you've got the W recovery. So imagine this line here. Okay, that's the line. Okay, this is a resistance line on the way up, it's a support line on the way down. When you go up, resistance becomes support on the way down. Okay, and when you go down, support becomes resistance on the way up, and that's effectively how it works. And once you get through those targets, okay, you have targets that you can see. So effectively, just there like that, you broke this resistance, and look where you went up and some. Okay, so it was a great trade from there to open along. And if you'd opened along there on confirmation of breaking this resistance and you was in there, you're flying, you're absolutely off to the races. But if you're not into leverage trading, what you can do, it's called swing trading and basically accumulation trading, where you go up, you formed a top, okay, and then you're getting confirmation that you're not going any higher. So once you start to break this level here, which is acting as support of the double M top, you break it, okay, and you're back testing it and you're closing below, you know that you're going to meet that target, so you get rid. Okay, get rid, because then you buy back here and you've accumulated more. You've got more Harmony for the march on to break the highs. Okay, and that's effectively how it works. Okay, so with that, moving forward, you do need to keep an eye on these levels, and this is why we do put them in the channel. We will keep you updated. Obviously, you get the charts out yourself. Okay, go to tradingview.com, bring up one USDT and have a play. Set your levels of support. Okay, the level of support, you've gone up, you made the high, you've come back down, you've found your base, which is support level, which is 0.16 cents. You've gone up, you've actually made a higher high, which effectively is a really good thing, by the way. I've spoken about that already. And now what you're doing, you're coming back down and you look like you're breaking down. Okay, but what you've got potentially going on here is actually a really good little move. It's called an EMA retest, and obviously the price needs to come down to pull the EMA to this EMA. So this is the 55 EMA. The red line is the 55 and the yellow line is the 20. So what you do, and you'll see it in all the charts that I do on the videos, you'll see this thing come together like this, and it acts as like a catapult. It repels it, and when it repels it like this, it slings the price over its shoulder. Okay, it slings the candles over its shoulder in the price action. You see that it gives it momentum to push up and smash through these highs and these levels of resistance. Do chart many other charts and look at it. Look at these 4-hourly EMA retests where it just comes together and you get that repel. Okay, we're targeting one right now on Reef, so do check that video out, because that's like imminent, that particular 4-hour repel, and that's potentially what you're looking at here. Okay, and again, if it doesn't happen and you do break down any more, then obviously do target this level here as a really key level to think about what you're going to do with your future with Harmony One. Okay, not financial advice. And okay, and you may see us break down more, and you may retest this level right here. But if you was to break that, then you are invalidating that reverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders pattern that we've got going on this time frame as well, which validates our move to the upside. So that's basically Harmony One. I can't really say much other than that it is, believe it or not, it is finding a level of support on its way up, you know, because it is making these higher lows as it's going up. You know, you got a low there, a low, and a higher low, and it's consistently making high lows. So you are sort of hugging this ascending triangle on the grand scheme of things, and you know that our target out of that is that target up there. Okay, so good luck everyone, stay strong, keep an eye on this, and hopefully you get this EMA retest on Harmony One. Okay, because don't forget it has gone up quite a lot. Okay, so you are experiencing a level of consolidation now. Okay, and this is also perfectly healthy, where it does kind of get a bit boring and a bit flat and goes a bit sideways because it's just refueling up. And then, like I said to you, if we look at the daily time frame here, and you've got the yellow line, you know, by the time it potentially does make its move, you would potentially have seen a retest of this yellow line. So you're looking potentially a longer level of consolidation between this range. Again, don't lose that support, because that's critical. You start to lose that support there, the double M top pattern, then you will be looking at larger breakdown. So effectively, you know, what you're looking at here is, just off the bat, personally, I think you are looking at a level of consolidation. Okay, you'll sort of see this up and down, bit boring, bit flat, and you allow this EMA to creep up the 20 EMA before you get the retest, before you charge on. And we are seeing that across the board with a lot of projects that have gone up and gotten far away from their 20 EMA on the daily time frame there. So that's Harmony One. I hope you enjoyed that update, and I will keep you updated every day on Harmony One. And yeah, keep doing what you do, keep sharing your content in the channel, and do keep sharing, do keep supporting the channel in every way you can, with the likes and the sharing of the videos, and also get involved in the community there. Good luck to everyone involved. Take care, have a good Friday. Bye bye.